Okay, I am in my car and I'm trying to start it after keeping it at Kia all weekend. Nothing is happening. It won't turn on. It just sounds like the battery is gone. Finally, after 5 times.